Did you know that during the medieval times, people believed that sneezing was a sign that the devil had entered your body? They would say, "Bless you," to ward off evil spirits. But here's the twist. In ancient Rome, a sneeze was actually considered lucky and a sign of good fortune. Imagine the confusion if someone sneezed in both eras. So next time you sneeze, just remember, it's either the devil leaving your body or good luck coming your way. Don't forget to say, "Bless you," or celebrate your luck with a sneeze party.